Hi everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial from the eye makeup series, and today I will teach you the purple mauve kind of shade smoky eye look. For this I am using the taping over the eye, and with the help of flat applicator brush depositing the color over the outer edges or eyelid of the eye. You can revive the video to see the colors I have taken from the palette. Pretty all set you can be. Depositing the color over the eyelid with the help of applicator brush. Now taking the big blending brush and the lightest purple color to blend the color. You can see, you can see with the lightest color only you need to blend the darkest color. The lightest color will blend the darkest color. So in circular movement, use your brush, blur out the lines. Again taking the big blending brush, with the help of smudge brush, giving the depthness to the color. Darkest black color, applying over the outer edges of the eye for giving more darkness and depthness to the color. With the help of blending brush, blending the eyeshadow. And using the flat applicator brush, trying to make as natural as we can. Blend it so softly. You already know the trick of blending. If somebody want to know, then see our last tutorials. Now taking the pressed glitter the shade of purple, apply it over the eyelid. You can see how beautifully it turns out. See the effect only. Now using some pigment in the shade of silver, with the help of flat applicator, applying the pigment over eyelid. Now see the look after lashes. Applying the highlighter to the brow bone. Highlighter I am using from PAC. Somebody want to know the every product details, everything in detail, then we have a product reveal video of Professional Vanity. You can see in our channel. You can see the upper work is completed. Now doing the under eye work using the Charm Work Beauty white gel pencil. Taking the smudge brush and the same color you used to the upper eye, giving the smudging effect, smudging the under eye. Use a very light hand. You can see the complete look. Again using the mascara to the lower lashes, and the mascara I am using is a Maybelline ka mascara colossal. You can see the final look. Here it is in front of you. So bye bye, take care, we'll meet in next tutorial.